Hello and welcome back to KL Now TV. We have with us very esteemed guest, the CEO of Dhawan Group, the foundation which has been started by the legendary Indian cricketer Shikhar Dhawan, and Anshita Gupta is currently working as the CEO of that group. So, ma'am, first of all, today is the book launch of the legendary Shikhar Dhawan. Paji is all over the social media, and now he's launching his book. What kinds of things क्या फैंस एक्सपेक्ट करें इस बुक से, क्या उनके बारे में सोचे, किन किन कहानियों की तरफ जा सकती है कहानी?
See, when you talk about somebody like a Shikhar Dhawan,
Yeah.
किन कहानियों की नहीं, actually you should say सब कहानियों
सारी
की तरफ आपको जाना चाहिए, because with few people, few things happen. With
Yeah.
somebody like a Shikhar Dhawan, everything happens from the lowest of the lows to highest of the highs.
Yeah.
I think he has seen it all, and he has come out with flying colors, and he has actually achieved the best of the best anybody can achieve today. So I think when you read the book,
Yeah.
one, we will not stop reading it, because every page you turn will have a different story to tell and a different inspiration for you, I must say. So I would not pinpoint one story. I think you need to read through his life, and trust me, and that is where you should get inspired.
Sure. मैम, ये जो बुक लॉन्च है एंड ये जो बुक लॉन्च में उनकी कहानियां हैं और शिखर धवन का जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, क्रिकेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस, और वो कैसे आगे जो धवन ग्रुप की फिलॉसफीज हैं, आगे उनके जो आगे जो काम करने हैं उनको, उसमें किस तरीके से हेल्प करेगी?
See, there is one thing which Shikhar keeps on telling me. बार वो मुझे हमेशा ये बताते हैं कि क्रिकेट बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड है. आप अगर 5 मिनट क्या, आप अगर 1 मिनट भी लेट है, बस आपको छोड़ के चली जाएगी.
Sure.
Because sports is all about discipline.
Yeah.
So that is the first philosophy which we bring to our group. And second is self-belief. So when both the things come together, that is when we have actually structured our ecosystem. We have structured our organization like that. So I think these are the two pillars which we stand on, and that is where we have kind of built our basis primarily through Shikhar Dhawan Foundation and Dhawan Sports.
ऑल्सो बहुत सारे फैंस को पता नहीं होगा ये धावन फाउंडेशन के बारे में, तो कैन यू प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन टू देम कि वो क्या है? और क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कैसे छोटे बच्चों को फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज़, अलग अलग जगहों से उनको हेल्प हो रही है, बट कैन यू एक्सप्लेन टू द लार्जर ऑडियंस?
Okay, so how do I start? See, we believe in nurturing talent.
Yeah.
चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स हो, चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो. सो जो स्पोर्ट्स वाला हमारा पूरा सिस्टम है, वो हम डावन स्पोर्ट्स के साथ लेके जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू एजुकेशन, दैट कम्स थ्रू शिखर धवन फाउंडेशन. एंड you've seen our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji talking about digitization, talking about digital India, and we also believe in that. एक तो आप समय के साथ चलना बहुत जरूरी है, और बच्चों को उस तरीके से ट्रेन करना बहुत जरूरी है, because they are the future of our country. So we believe in digitizing education. We have digitized many schools, like we have, trust me, we have gone to Kargil, we have gone to places like Alwar. We have digitized, and when you go and meet those kids, you'll have goosebumps.
Yeah.
They're securing marks. They're using ChatGPT just to understand how physics problems can be solved. So that is the power of digitization, and that is what we bring to the table. The second thing which we support is Livelihood on Wheels. Livelihood on Wheels is again, how do you give it back to people? आप जाएंगे, एक बार डोनेशन कर देंगे, खत्म हो गया ना. We believe in building lives for people. So what we have done is, people who are disabled, who need a lot of help, and there are people who were not able to even earn basic living for them. We have tied up, and we make wheelchairs which are mobilized. Like you can sit on them and you can go to work or do your daily course. And we have helped them get jobs in organizations like a Zomato also. So what we've done is we have made them build their own livelihood. They work there, they earn their living. There are people in Jaipur who are not earning anything. Now they are having sustainable livelihood. They've kind of made their own small households also.
Yeah.
So these are the two things which we support. But primarily our aim is to support education and build the future of the country.
एंड शिखर पाजी ऑन ग्राउंड कैसे थे और रियल लाइफ में कैसे वो सोशल मीडिया पे दिख जाता, बट एज अ फाउंडर तो हैं दावन ग्रुप में, बट लॉन्ग टर्म विजन को लेके वो कैसे इन्वॉल्व हैं, वो किस तरीके से लॉन्ग टर्म विजन देखते हैं ग्रुप के लिए?
I'll tell you something very intricate which people will not resonate with the Shikhar Dhawan. He reads books. If he thinks he needs to understand marketing, if he needs to understand startups, trust me, he will pick up books, he will read, he will watch YouTube videos, he will discuss it with me. There are umpteen number of times where he has called me. He said, Anshita, you've had a media career. Okay, how do you do that? He wants to learn, and that learning process is always on. So for me, Shikhar Dhawan is just not a brand who has started this organization. He is very, very deeply involved in day-to-day structures, but we also understand it cannot be a one-man army. So we have a full-fledged leadership team. We have people who have played Ranji. We have somebody who leads a foundation who has been into this business, who understands philanthropy. So the leadership team, the team which we have also built, is very, very well equipped. So trust me, we are into very, very serious business.
एंड शिखर पाजी ने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में इतना सर्व किया, डू यू थिंक कि मासेस से कनेक्ट हुए, मासेस के साथ उनके इमोशंस जुड़े, तो नाउ दिस थिंग विल आल्सो कम इनटू द फाउंडेशन थिंग कि अगर वहाँ पे भी लोग क्योंकि समझ रहे हैं कि किसको हम कौन कर रहा है हमारे लिए, वी नो दिस पर्सन, तो वो कहीं अफेक्ट करता है हिज इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट और वो जो बॉन्डिंग थी लोगों के साथ?
नाम जरूर इफेक्ट करता है, क्योंकि अगर हम अपना नाम किसी अच्छे कॉज के साथ लगा के उसको बढ़ावा दे सकें तो क्यों नहीं। अगर मेरे 10 लोगों के पास जाके करने से वो चीज एम्पलीफाई 100 लोगों को हो जाएगी सिर्फ शिखर धवन के नाम से, जरूर करना चाहिए, बिल्कुल।
And what is the long-term goal of the foundation and how you guys are preparing for it?
वेरी सिंपल।
Yeah.
जितने स्कूल्स हैं मेरे को टियर 1 सिटीज, मेजर सिटीज में सारी फैसिलिटीज है। छोटे छोटी जगह जाके कारगिल से 2 किलोमीटर दूर बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, जब तक हर किसी जरूरतमंद स्कूल को हम डिजिटाइज नहीं कर देते तब तक हमारा विजन मिशन कंप्लीट नहीं होता, एंड दैट इज द एम विच वी आर फॉलोइंग, एंड इट इज अक्रॉस द कंट्री, बिकॉज वी बिलीव इन बिल्डिंग आवर कंट्री, and what better than educating the kids and giving them digital शिक्षा।
एंड ऑल्सो डिजिटल शिक्षा के साथ साथ आजकल स्कूल्स में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स को भी इंक्लूड किया जा रहा है ऑन अ मेजर स्केल, एंड जो फाउंडेशन आपके दोनों ही साथ में इकट्ठा काम कर रहे हैं, सो हाउ इज दिस बैलेंस गोइंग टू वर्क?
नहीं, फाउंडेशन बहुत ही क्लियरली एजुकेशन को सपोर्ट करता है। The other vertical which we have, Dhawan Sports, that is building a grassroots level infrastructure, a structured ecosystem, a structured pathway for somebody to pursue cricket as a career. So at base level, at grassroots level, we are doing multiple sports, we are multi-sports, we are not restricting ourselves to sports. But at the higher level, where we talk about high performance, where we talk about more structured approach to the game, we are right now focusing only on cricket. That is our aim. So any kid, कोई भी बच्चा जिसको क्रिकेटर बनना है ना, उसको पता नहीं है या उसको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड पाथवे नहीं दे पा रहा है कोई भी कि उसको करना क्या है। people will go to certain academies, they will train under somebody, then they will say अच्छा क्या करें। Even if you see the state leagues today, they are very, very serious about it.
100%.
Every state league has teams. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to start at the base level with multiple sports, move to the structured academies at the level 2, and then move to various state league teams. मतलब मैं आपको ये कहाँ से thought आया मैं वो भी बता देती हूँ। So Shikhar, we as Dhawan and with Shikhar, we own a team in Delhi Premier League, which is called South Delhi Superstars. इस साल जब हमारे साउथ दिल्ली सुपरस्टार्स के बच्चे जाके आईपीएल में खेल रहे हैं एंड दे आर प्लेइंग सो वेल, इज व्हेन वी वर थिंकिंग लाइक व्हाई नॉट, इन बच्चों को अगर हमारी टीम से मौका मिलता है तो व्हाई डोंट वी एक्टिवेट मल्टीपल स्टेट लीग्स, मल्टीपल टीम्स, मल्टीपल एरियाज इन द कंट्री एंड गिव एवरीबडी डिजर्विंग अ चांस. So that is what we are doing at Sports.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.